I'm Chris with Symbol Logic. We have a software package that will handle end-to-end project engineering, documentation, and service for all of your projects. It starts with your floor plan, block diagram, detailed schematics, and rack and wall elevations. So it's a total package there. The distinction that we have, first of all, we've been doing this for almost 30 years, and with our software, you're not going to spend time developing the application. We've already done that all for you. So you're just going to spend time getting the work done efficiently and without pain and suffering that you're used to using with this kind of software. We end up with beautiful results that are rapid to develop for you, and we'd love to have you check it out and see if it will help you to transform your business. We know it will. And just a note, we were this year's InfoComm Best of Show for software, and we'd love you to come by our website. It's symbollogic.com, symbollogic.com, 2 L's, and check it out.